Number 3. If triangle AED is dilated to points A, C, B, which statement is true? All right, so the yellow triangle is our original triangle, and then we're dilating it to become, let me change colors here, this green triangle. All right, so let's check and see our answer options. A says triangle AED is similar to triangle ACB. So the first thing you need to know about this is that you have to know that that little squiggly line means similar. And that is probably a true statement. We're not going to cross that one off yet. In fact, I know it's a true statement, but we'll come back to that. B says triangle AED is congruent. So again, you need to know what your symbols mean, and congruent means the exact same shape and size. These are not the same shape and size. The green one is clearly bigger. All right, C, the area of triangle AED is half the area of triangle ACB. Now, we haven't talked about this in detail yet, and so for some of you, when you read that, that might throw you off, because if you look here, the scale factor is 2. We are making the green triangle 2 times bigger. And so you might think, okay, well, the area has to be 2 times bigger as well. That is actually not true. Like I said, we're going to go over this in more detail later on this year. But if you actually found the area of both triangles, if you did area of the yellow triangle, that would be 1/2 base times height, which would be 3. And then if you did the area of the green triangle, that would be 1/2 base times height, which would be 12. So you can't just take 12 and divide it by 2 and get the other area. So that is not a true statement. And then it says the perimeter of AED is 1/4 the area of triangle ACB. Okay, so that's going to be a lot of math as well to figure it out, but perimeter means add up all the sides. So you would add 2 plus 3 plus this distance would actually be the square root of 13. So if we did all of that, let's see. That gives us about 8.6. And the area of ACB was 12, so it's definitely not 1/4. The relationship there is not 1/4. You didn't have to know all of that math yet, though. You need to know that when figures are dilated, they are similar. Similar means the same shape, but different sizes. Anytime you dilate something, you're preserving the shape, you're just changing the size.